has to take off first this bolt here, and then you see the twist lock here doesn't open if you do not take off first the sliding bolt, and the sliding bolt is blocked by the screw bolt, and so on. You understood what I meant. I take off now the glass with the treats, the two treats, and we start immediately. Are you ready, Smudge? Please come here. Do your best, please. Please remember you got some treats after. Very good. Go on, Smudge. He takes correctly first off the bolt. Now he has to unscrew the screw bolt. Go on, Smudge, go on. Go on, and give it into my hand, please. Very good. The sliding bolt, twist lock, and the security lock. So please pass through the door. We go on with the second door. Please, Smudge, choose the correct key. Yes, he took the correct key. He puts it into the keyhole. He turns around the key. Go on, Smudge. And he opens the door. That was perfect. He passes through. We already